Ladies and gentlemen, moving on with our next speaker. Our next speaker is again from the management side, the training manager of DXN Middle East, the ever enthusiastic Mr. Boban Joseph. Please put your hands together to welcome him.
Good morning all. I am so delighted today on the occasion of 19th anniversary of DXN Middle East. I take this opportunity to congratulate all members, all leaders, all staff of DXN Middle East who contributed for the growth of DXN Middle East. We should look back of the history of DXN. Dr. Lim Seojin started this organization in 1992. But for 3 months there was no sale at all. And because of that reason, our starting year is treated as 1993. A lot many problems he faced, lot many challenges he faced, and he overcome with a positive mindset. And the organization grown from Malaysia to different parts of the country. Today we are having presence in 180 countries, and we got branches in 80 countries. That is a great achievement of DXN. In this situation, we should see DXN company is based on which industry. You know what is industry? There are so many companies are working on a same platform. That is called industry. There are so many industries, you know, automobile industry, hospital industry, education industry, like that. Our company is based on direct selling industry. We must understand what is the potential of direct selling industry. I always say direct selling industry is the best industry. Direct selling career is the best career in the world. Why? We should ask this question, and we should find the answer to this question. Why? Because I will say this is only one industry where people will get a passive income or residual income. If one engineer is working for 10 years and after that if he is not working, he don't get any residual income, he don't get any passive income. But a direct seller, if he is working for 3 to 4 years, 5 to 10 years and establish a team of people, team of customers, he will get a passive income, he will get a residual income throughout his life. So I always advise the people, by default you got the best platform, best career in the world. Now the question is, there are so many companies on this platform. Now the question is, why DXN? Why we should choose DXN? You are already into DXN platform and you should find out what are the merits of DXN company. I always say the answer is DXN is the best in terms of DXN management, in terms of products, in terms of the marketing plan, everything. If you see, DXN is the best company. It is a global company. By sitting in Dubai, by sitting in India, by sitting in Pakistan, you can do business anywhere in the world. That is the potential of DXN company. Hence, my sincere advice, sincere suggestion to all of you, we must understand the depth and width of DXN company. We should understand depth and width of direct selling industry and be serious about this industry and start to work and achieve your goal. And where you can reach from today, that if you understand, you can become a rich person through DXN business. You can become a healthy person through DXN business. I wish all the best to all of you. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Boban Joseph, for those inspiring words about direct selling. Now, direct selling is a need of the hour for anybody in this present world.